Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Going Guitar. We have Sam Fender here with the Tyrants, and Sam Fender, really appreciate that artist. He has a huge following as well, and yeah, I'm amongst those Fender fans. Alright, even if I'm playing on Anchor guitar, then I can like Fender as well. Anyway, just joke there. Anyway, we're gonna go into this Tyrant song, and it's very easy to play. Very straightforward. We have 4 chords and capo on 4th. That is the setup. Let's go into it. We're gonna look into the chords starting with E minor. So we have open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. That's the first chord. Second one is this C, and it goes third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. We have A minor as well, and it goes open A, second D, second G, first B, open E, and the final chord is D. And that will be open D, second G, third B, and second E. Alright, so let's go into the strumming here. We have a 2-part strumming, so one full round will sound like this. Okay, so the first part will be down, down, up, down. So okay, and the second part will be up, up, down, and then again up, up, down, up. So up, up, down, up, up, down, up. So up, up, down, and then up, up, down, up. So if you connect these 2 parts, it will be down, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up. Okay, and a couple of rounds. Alright, so let's go into the song here, and we have the first verse. It goes 1 full round of E minor, both part 1 and part 2. Then you're gonna play C part 1, and then E minor part 2. You're gonna play that for 4 rounds, okay? And that's the verse. I'm gonna play a couple of rounds for you. It goes like this. 2 rounds with that, and you're gonna double up 4 rounds, and that's the first verse. Into the chorus now, 50 seconds in. So rail against the Tyrants, that's where we are in the lyrics. And you're gonna play E minor, 1 full round again, then C part 1, and now D part 2. So instead of playing A minor part 2, you play D part 2, and that's the only difference. So you're gonna play that again for 4 rounds. Let's go a couple of rounds together with E minor, C, and D. Alright, so from now on there's not too much new things to learn. So once you play that first chorus, you're going to jump back into the second verse. You play that the exact same way as the first one. No changes there. 4 rounds of E minor, C, A minor. And then you go into the second chorus, and just repetition there as well. E minor, C, and D for 4 rounds. After that comes the solo part. You're going to play the verse play. We're about 2 minutes and 20 seconds in. Play the verse play for 2 rounds, and that's the solo part. After that comes the outro part. You continue with that verse play, the E minor, C, A minor. Play that for 4 rounds and end on a beautiful E minor like that. And there you have the full song from Sam Fender, Tyrants. Alright, so yes, he's a guitarist, and obviously this song fits guitar very well. So give it a try. 4 chords only, and very straightforward strumming, and that's it. So hope you enjoyed, guys. Till next time. Play tuned.